Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Aroma, and in today's video I am going to show you my huge stationery collection that I use for making my videos and doing crafts. So let's get started with the video. So guys, stationery number 1 is glitter. So here I have two packets of glitter. One is golden and one is red, and I bought it from stationery shop. So as you can see, I have two packets of glitter in my stationery collection. Well, I don't know the price as my grandfather went to buy these, so I didn't know the price, but I know that they must be of 5 to 10 rupees. That is their minimum price. So I have this red one, and then I have this golden one, and they are really very nice. So stationery number 2 is decorative tapes. So here I have two types of decorative tape. One is silver and one is red. That also I bought from my stationery shop in my colony. They are little bit of glittery, and they were of just 5 to 10 rupees. That's their maximum cost. So as you can see, okay, so the next stuff in my stationery collection are these sketch pens. So they're just the simple and normal sketch pens we use for coloring or any other work. So I have many of these, but I'm just showing 4 colors because I cannot show a huge packet. So I'm just showing 4 colors. Well, they are very nice. I don't remember the brand, but yes, they are sketch pens. Okay, so the fourth thing that I have in my stationery collections are these glitter pens. So they are from Lin's Shine brand, and they are super amazing. I use them for doing many crafts. So here this is a blue one. So these also come in 12 or 24 like that packet, 12-24 sketch packet, but I'm just showing 4 because I cannot show a huge packet. So I'm just showing 4, and they are very amazing, guys, trust me, you can buy them. So now I have these glitter stickers. So they are basically foam type of glitter stickers. They are made up of foam. So here I have many size and shapes of these stickers. So this is a butterfly one and stars, and they come in several colors and shapes and designs. They are very inexpensive, just for 1 or 2 rupees. They are amazing. Okay guys, stationery number 6 is this blue bottle from Camlin. So I have ordered it from Amazon, and it is of 35 ml. So this is a very huge bottle, so that is why I bought it from Amazon, and it really works amazing, this Camlin glue bottle. So you can also buy it if you want from Amazon. Okay, so the next stationery that I have in my stationery collection is these earbuds. So I have bought them from medical shop, and I will be sharing a DIY on this. So stay tuned. So I have these earbuds in my stationery collection also. Okay, so this stationery is very common. I have this transparent tape. Well, this is the most used stationery in my DIYs and crafts because this is very important for everything. So yes. Okay, so the next item that I have in my stationery collection are these thick colorful sheets that I brought from my stationery shop in the colony, and they are the most important item in my stationery collection for doing crafts and DIYs. So they are not very expensive, they are just of rupees 75 rupees per packet. So this is a packet, and the packet it contains 20 sheets, and they are of A4 size, 20 sheets. Okay guys, the next thing in my stationery collection are these glitter sheets, which are very important for doing any beautiful crafts and DIYs for decorating. Well, I just took two sheets of these glitter sheets, just golden that I'm showing and red that I have kept on my table. They are very amazing. Okay, so the last but not the least item in my stationery collection are these color pencils from Artline. So as you know, I have a packet of these, but I'm just showing 4 colors because I cannot show a huge packet of these in my video, then the video will be very lengthy, so I'm just showing 4. Well guys, these work very amazing. If you're finding color pencils that are inexpensive, go for it, they are amazing from Artline.